Hi, I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. Now, if you know anything about investing, you know the company Vanguard and its CEO Jack Bogle. You know that they are known for some really interesting investments that keep you keeping most of your money when you make an investment. Look, if you go into a lot of mutual funds, you are going to pay a relatively high MER. That's just the way things are. Vanguard has done things completely differently, which is probably a reason that a lot of full service brokerages don't really offer a lot of Vanguard products, because Vanguard doesn't charge very much. So there's not a whole lot of kickback to anybody else. And in the marketplace, like we've seen recently, especially with the VIX down to all-time lows, repeatedly all-time lows, all through the summer, we just haven't seen the transactions. When we look at quarterly earnings from banks and investment firms, we see that a lot of transactions just aren't taking place. Everything's going up, so the status quo kind of remains the same, right? Everybody doesn't want to make any trades. You're already making money. If anything, they're taking a little bit off the table. So the trading desks, a lot of these firms, are not recouping the kind of money that they're used to in a marketplace that's kind of going up and down, right? Well, not over at Vanguard. See, there's a lot of smart money out there, and people understand that to pay the less up front is going to give them more capital allocation to make money back. That's what you want. So you don't want to have to pay a whole bunch of money going in, and you don't want to have to pay a whole bunch of money every year just to have somebody manage your fund. Vanguard, it's a lot easier over there. You pick up an index fund or something, which is where a lot of people should be starting. Again, speak to your licensed professional financial advisor. This isn't advice. I'm just saying, if I was to do it, you'd pick up an index fund to get started, right? Vanguard, at the start of the year in January, crossed the 4 trillion mark for assets under management. That broke a record for Vanguard. That's a lot of money to have under management, but it's because, like I said, Vanguard is smart. They do not charge people just a great amount of fees. I mean, why? You know, you want people to make money ultimately. That's why I'm doing this, right? You want to talk to people, you want to help people, you want to make sure people get better at it, because it makes for a better stock market. Ultimately, if people always feel like they're being fleeced, you know, they think that the stock market then is fixed because everybody at the level that they deal with, the retail level, is taking a little bit off the top. Vanguard's not doing that. So $4 trillion in January, they find themselves at 4.7 trillion in October assets under management. So you want to talk about money not moving around, clearly money's moving somewhere. These other trading desks might not be making the kind of moves that they want to be making, but Vanguard definitely is. So some smart money has decided, why pay all these fees? Let's make as much money as we can on our own. Why pay for a mimicked index fund, go to a mutual fund and pay 2.5% for basically something that just mimics a fund you can go and get for 0.25% or 0.5% over at Vanguard. Sounds pretty smart to me. I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, leave a thumbs up for this video, and leave us a comment. Let us know. Have you ever used Vanguard? Who do you use? What do you do? What do you think about anything? Let us know. We like to hear from you. Have a good day.